Are you passionate about sales and looking for a side hustle that is simple, straightforward, pays instantly, and really well? We are offering an opportunity that brings in commissions ranging from $50 to $250. Welcome to the Java Logix affiliate program, where your hard work translates into instant earnings. Businesses are on the lookout for a stronger online presence, and we're here to deliver. Our service tiers come with commissions that mirror your dedication, ranging from $50 to $250 for each successful sale, with our typical salespeople earning over $100 for each sale. And here's the best part, no more waiting around. With instant PayPal payouts, your earnings are in your hands exactly when you need them. To help you get started, we designed a training program that equips you with the skills to succeed. No previous experience necessary. What's great about this gig is that it fits your life. Dedicate just a bit of time each day and watch your earnings grow. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a parent, this opportunity adapts to your rhythm. Eager to take a step towards financial independence? Apply now to join our program where your time is valued and your earnings reflect your hard work. Act now to secure your spot and lock in your earning potential. Remember, each decision shapes your story. Embrace the chance to script your own success. Affiliate marketing, empowering your journey.